Baraba tayari kujukiite bia Amînîsta ndene ya thirikari ya gavana Kawira Mwangaza ni bakinyite mbere ya kamiti ya kubonga mauri ndene ikarubia mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru. Baba ni baikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge ya Meru kenda kuchokia bioria kuma kire ya kamiti ba mobao bakioneka kwithirwa kinya bari na kagita gako muga guchokia bioria bibi na bobange bakioneka kubichokia na wiru bonene. Mwandiki wetu Wantoto Mutugikare na kwambite kambi mbunge neu na nagotwa Ntoto ichi ikinya.
Ni muthenya juria Amînîsta baranga bana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza athurire akiendekithia kuritania na bongo gyo bicine yawe bakûthûjagwa ni mbunge ya Meru. Kiri kamiti nthurire gutongitwe ni speaker wa mbunge wa Bundi na atongiria bangi wa mwene MCS kuma wandi mwanya mwanya na akithûjwa Esther Karimi Njeru athuri ari Amînîsta wa biashara na iwanda.
She was a competitor. She comes to me and she needs my attention. How to treat, how I will treat her. Honorable Chair, I'm a respecter of democracy. I'm a respecter of institutions. I offer myself, the people made a decision. I'm at peace with it. And I indeed congratulate my brother who won. He's an honorable member of this house. And that is it, Honorable Chair. So to my best of interest, I'm a person who is not biased. I serve all because even this position requires that I abstain from active politics.
Ongine njafeti ndumba ithinja arathuri ari Amînîsta wa miunda no bangiru matoni nethirite agikurukira kiriratiri eji.
And I thought lands would be even more suitable for me. Having studied geography all the way to the university, there's a lot of geography in lands. There's a lot of issues that are local about land.
Kiri Minister Muthure wa Roger James Kiambia thiro.
Ensure that the quantity is enough, and there is something we call WUE, water use efficiency. As we are talking right now, there is a lot of wastage everywhere, and so I'll also deal with that. And the other one would be issues of dealing with water conflicts, because water conflicts will also again cause water scarcity in some areas.
Ujo nawe ni Monica Kaithio Kathono ethira kinya wage kurukira kiriratiri eji akûthûjwa.
No, budget is an estimation. You estimate your revenue. For example, our equitable share is this. Then our own source of money, it is this. So when you know the source of the amount of revenue you have, then from there you prioritize, because now even if you have a lot of things you do, you can't do beyond the revenue you have. And priorities also come. You have first to do, I know there will be issuing of circular to various departments. They give you their plans and you sit down with them and you have to explain, because of this amount of money we prioritize on this and put on this. When that one is put now in place with the estimation of the revenue and the estimation of the expenditure, then you are able to come up with the budget.
Rwangine rorimi na runara rwendekithitwe Reverend Caroline Kaberia.
And then Honorable Mured has to what steps that I would take if given the opportunity to better the club. Let me say that one of the steps that I would take, it is to lobby together with the national government so that we can have market for Mera, because Mera is the backbone of economy of Nyambene people. And therefore, given the opportunity, I'll be able to work in collaboration with the national government so that we can be able to find market for this precious commodity.
Minister Muthure wa barabara Muriongi James Muthomi aikurukira ratiri-ini eji nonekanire akiumirwa ni biuria bimwe muno biagie kithomo kiawe.
Affidavit that of so on the ECC affidavit number 5 and occasional qualifications. You know, you state there primary certificate, yes. Secondary certificate, yes. A-level certificate, yes. Diploma, no. Degree, yes. Check the files as I'm going through it. And then masters you have ticked, which means level of qualifications, which means is I'm referring to this particular document that is in page 2 of 6, then it shows that you own a master's degree. And then when you look at your CV, In terms of education, you have listed there Master in Business Administration, MBA, Strategy Management, Kenya Methodist University, Kenya, 2017 to 2018. Which means if it's 2017 to 2018, then you must be having the certificate. What do you say about that?
That is when I went through the coursework. I did all the coursework. That is 2017, and in the following year, that is when I did that. But I have, for some reason, I have not gotten the certificate. What I have is the transcript that I've attached.
Then it means if you don't have the certificate, then you are not qualified. You cannot say that you have masters. And then on page 2 of 6, you cannot take masters because still you have not yet graduated. Am I correct, Mudomi?
You are correct, sir. I have not graduated for masters. It's only that I went through the coursework. But
the information that you are given here then is wrong, is misleading.
Sorry for
True or false?
True.
Kamiti ya kuthuja Amînîsta baba na ndibagatiwa na bajukie kagita kao gutegira Amînîsta baba kethani bagwitikirika kirengugiria bathuriri na nyumene bachokia riboti u kiri mbunge ya Meru adana ndika jukia kanyaka ikaro KMCs bonde kuringa kura ciao noro gakuruka komba kwithira gita na mbere gutonya obisine rwangi ruria thuriri kuma mbunge ya Meru gicigo mbunge kia North ngiripotera nteto cia Weru Juma ria kwarietwa ni Mutugi Karo.